train tracks we go. Evan, where are we gonna go?
Where are we gonna go?
We could go over there.
Which way specifically, though? Hello, I can.
Dude,
see.
let's just go.
Where?
Anywhere.
I know, but which direction are we gonna go? We have to.
We have to make a direction. Okay.
We have to know that right now.
Let's just head down towards. Let's go north.
What the? Where is north, Colin?
That way.
How do you know?
I don't, but that's the way I'm facing forward, so I'm going that with north.
All right, dude. Never eat soggy waffles, so we're going north.
North we go.
Who are we?
We're going this way for a long time, and then we're gonna go this way this time because we haven't taken a right yet. I missed you. Woo! Yeah! Okay, bye. All right, time to take a right.
I think we got a match. He's the Squahilian raccoon. Charles, we've just struck a match, mate. Everybody on this earth, man, everybody has the same thing in common. Everybody has a voice. And as people on this earth, as brothers and sisters on this earth, we all have the equal right to express our voice whenever, however we want to. Whether it be drawing on the fucking sidewalk, playing a guitar, taking pictures, planting a flower. We all have that equal right to speak. And it's not right to say people who do this are terrible. No, they're not terrible. They're just different, and they're expressing what they are in a different way than yours. That's it. And people don't understand that, dude. People don't get that. It's literally so simple. It's just so simple. Treat others the way you want to be treated. That just speaks volumes, dude. And people don't understand the simple things that we all hear as kids. They don't take it with them in their life. And that's where they fucking become fucking hateful towards black people, or hateful towards people who spray paint, or hateful towards anyone, dude. It's not fucking right, man. We all came from the same fucking place, dude. We're all flowers in the same pot, dude. Some people are fucking roses, some are daisies, some are orchids. But you know what? If you can put all those flowers in a pot, and that pot looks beautiful, then shouldn't we all fit in the same pot and be beautiful, dude?
What happened to Brent, dude?
You killed Brent.
I didn't kill Brent. I don't know who Brent is.
You know who Brent is.
Who's Brent?
Brent is the guy you killed.
Oh my god. I don't think I can't even kill a fly, dude. I take those things outside. I catch them and take them outside.
I've seen you kill a spider.
Well, that's different, dude.
That you killed Brent, dude.
I didn't kill that one spider with like
Brent.
1,000 babies. I didn't kill Brent. Who the fuck is Brent?
The spider that you killed, dude.
The spider I killed?
Like 2 weeks ago.
You named him Brent?
Yes, dude, he watches after you.
Oh no, Devin.
Bro, what are you doing with that camera right now? I really feel like you're like about to like get all never did before. And he said that he knew that whole time.
I got you this, Devin.
Honestly, Colin, I'm not about this with you. I really don't like you that way. I'm sorry. Sorry.
Wait, at least lick it? Oh, you're getting all sorts of bird diseases.
Yo, chill.
Oh, fear factor over here.
I'm good, bro. Take the camera off.
How'd it taste?
Like a fucking feather. What else?
How'd it feel?
It felt really good, actually.
Trust me, this is the ideal way to go.
There's lots of poisonous plants everywhere, dude.
Are you sure? Is that poisonous?
Yeah, dude, look at the red vines, bro.
Doesn't mean they're poisonous.
Yeah, look at them. They're sharp as fuck. Yo, dude. That really hurts, dude.
Then don't do it.
It felt so good. I got to pop my wrist.
Are you a mummy? I dare you to walk out like that.
No, dude.
Just be like, I'm really confused. Where's the books at?
Hello, book. Hey, what's your name?
Colin.
That's cool. What's up?
Oh!
I felt it.
Oh no! I'm getting a book, guys. This book is the best book ever. I swear. I read it a few years back when I was in Leo, and I fell in love with it ever since. I've been obsessed with Stephen King ever since then. He's like my go-to writer, but this book, so good, Devin. So good.
Let's go.
Fence right there, and that's a hospital, so we're trying to find a way that we can like get in there without like anybody seeing us over there. So we're gonna go walk around the perimeter and find an entrance. Guys, well, it's our lucky day. The fence is already torn open for us. So we're just gonna go in here and hopefully not get the cops. I always just want to get into your location as fast as possible so people don't see you, because some people are bitches. They think that exploring means that you're like breaking things and like being a hoodlum, but like in this case, we're just like checking things out. This is pretty cool. Yo, it's looking pretty stormy out here, man. Alright, dude. Sure? This is gonna be great, dude. It's gonna start storming so hard. Oh, the wind's crazy, guys. We just found this awesome ditch and a lake of water. This is awesome right here, man.
Dude, what the fuck? This is crazy. I'm gonna do some ollies.
You struggling, bro?
Get away from me with that camera, son.
I'm not your son. Oh, that was a nice car.
It's a Porsche, nigga.
Come on. What's wrong with you?
I was getting hot.
Oh no.
What?
Oh no. Oh no.
What?
Oh no. Oh, I thought these were ants moving. Oh my
Why did
god.
you say something?
I was in.
You just said, oh no.
I was scared for
Oh,
you, dude.
no.
I was in fear.
Oh no.
I was in fear.
You didn't say, Devin, look, there's ants. Oh no.
Sorry,
Like,
bro.
Oh no, ants. You're like, ants.
Yeah, I just wanted you to figure it out.
No, you didn't. You sly dog. I hate you. I'm just joking. I don't hate you. You know I don't hate you.
Alright, well, we're heading home now because storm is like actually starting to come in and it's dark and we got miles to go. All good reasons to start heading back. Alright, so it looks like I'm going backwards, but I'm still technically moving forward. So, am I moving backwards or am I moving forward? Oh dear God! Oh no! This. Are you okay?
What happened?
Well, I think I blew your mind.
Oh, that explains the headache. Oh,
Oh my God! Wait, are you being serious?
yeah.
What was that?
In my mind, dude.
You're fucking with me, dude. Sorry, bro. I won't ever blow your mind again.
Did you get that on the
Yeah, like perfectly. The thunder's coming in, bro.
I know, I can hear it.
We should probably dip, but I don't feel like moving. It's so comfortable. It's so nice out.
It is nice.
All the humidity went away.
All the calm before the porn.
Yeah, what he said. Cut.